What if the secret to creating powerful learning experiences isn't just what you teach, but how you understand the way people learn? The best educators aren't just experts in their field, they're masters of learning theory. Let's explore 3 core theories that every learning professional should know. First, behaviorism. Picture Pavlov's dog, or recall classic reward and reinforcement strategies. Behaviorism teaches us that learners respond to stimuli and that practice and feedback shape their skills. This approach lays the foundation for routines, drills, and clear feedback systems. Second, constructivism. Imagine building knowledge brick by brick, like constructing a strong house. Constructivism says learners actively create meaning through experience. It's about dialogue, discovery, and connecting new ideas to what students already know. This theory reminds us to make learning relevant and collaborative, fostering curiosity instead of simple memorization. Finally, cognitive load theory. Think of the brain as a powerful processor, but with limits. If you overload the system, performance crashes. Cognitive load theory helps us refine instruction by organizing information, chunking content, and reducing unnecessary distractions so learners stay engaged without feeling overwhelmed. Harnessing these theories means you're not just delivering content, you're unlocking human potential. You become a guide, architect, and coach, designing experiences that stick. Remember, knowing learning theory isn't just academic. It's the key to making every moment count, every lesson memorable, and every learner capable of greatness.